This is Samsung S6 Edge. So after disassembling, removing everything, we reached here, the place where the phone is held this way. So if it is the plate replacement, you'll have to go in the process of separating the screen with the chassis so that you remove everything. But now it is just a charging port replacement. This is what I'll do. My air is at 5, it is at 380. So first I'll use this plate. I'll put this so that wherever I'm eating, it does not reach the battery. So after that, I'll just start my operation to make sure I change the charging port without replacing the whole thing. So we'll give it time, and I'll just start fixing. I'll use the paste. After using the paste, I'll come here and make sure the stuff is thoroughly placed so that wherever I'm eating, I'll take my tweezer. Which will help me hold it down. So I'll start eating. So actually it is out. I think you are seeing everything, every process of working on this. So after that, I'll just make sure
Mambo, wewe ndio unaitwa Dickens?
yes.
Unaweza nibooster simu?
Kuboost ama kucharge?
Kucharge tu.
Unaweza kuchargia.
Ndio. Ndio. Ina charge.
So we'll go and check if there is anything interfered with, and there everything is still okay, the way it should be. You can also use the solder wick. from there I'll change the heat to 330, air to 4.5. When I was removing, I used the heat of 380, air of 5, but now I'll have to reduce air to 4.5, heat to 330, and then I'll start the operation. Remember to keep this, because that is what is helping us on. Then from there, just heat it. Just it as we are pressing to make sure it reached where we want. So that's our pot. It is placed perfectly. So we'll let it cool. After cooling, we'll now go and reassemble our phone. Just go and reassemble the phone to make sure the work is. So if you check, these ones are not removed, the battery is not affected because of this. So wherever you are doing such kind of work, just make sure it's placed properly and necessarily. There will be nothing will be affected. And even if you look at inside here, it is not melted. Some are always melting, but this one is not melted. It's just okay, very okay. Nataka ipike percent ngapi?
15.
Sasa saa hii vile umeweka unadhani imefika? So after that we just go and reassemble the phone. So the disassembling was done. So after a slight cooling, just go and reassemble the phone and it will just charge. That's how that's the alternative way of making the pot work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share. If you have any video you want us to do, you can also communicate so that we do it. Are we together? So the video is made with Kiwandar Phone Repairs and Accessories located in Kisumu Bus Park. TikTok is Kiwandar Phone Repairs and Accessories. YouTube is QR Mobile Fix. Facebook is QR Mobile Fix. So you can also go for those channels for such stuff. Thanks for watching and welcome.